folks, JT here, and today we're going to swap out our stock Harley Davidson machine plug for a shorter version made by FEULING, part number 3115 or Drag Specialties part number 0950-0990. I got this idea to do this swap from Chuck at Drag Specialties, who's a tech over there, and he was explaining to me that the stock Harley machine plug is about 1 inch long, which does not allow for even flow at the bottom of the case to go to the sump pump, where FEULING's is about maybe 1/4 inch, which I'll show you in a minute, and that'll allow even flow of your oil. We're going to pull out the stock Harley Davidson machine plug right now so we can take a look. So the location of this plug is right there. That's the one right there. A lot of people will mistake this for a drain plug. It is not. It is considered a machine plug from the factory. So we're going to pull it out now, and let's compare between FEULINGs. FYI, you will get a little oil draining out of there. I would say I got maybe a cup of oil. So have an oil pan ready to when you remove that plug. Now that little hole where the arrow is pointing is your oil feed, and in the back of that chamber is the location of your machining plug. Here we're showing a close-up of that oil feed, where in the back of that feed you can see some threads which actually are for your machine plug. You can drive that machine plug in there, but you do not want to do that because you could block your oil flow. Both plugs have NPT thread. As you can see in the picture, the stock plug is much longer than the FEULING plug. If you install the FEULING plug, there's a better chance you will not restrict oil flow. And there you have it, a nice little upgrade in under 5 minutes. You can find this part on our website, jtscycleparts.com. Thank you. Rubber side down.